So this talk is a little bit different from what we have seen about computer vision. The relationship with computer vision is that the robots that I'm going to present are robots that are powered with cameras to be able to behave smartly and create a smart map of the home. So, a brief introduction to iRobot. We are the global home robot leader. We try to take mundane tasks out from people and use robots to automate these tasks. We have our best-known product that is called the Roomba. A second line of product is called Brava, that came from an acquisition from my previous company. It was Evolution Robotics. And we have sold more than 20 million robots. So it's a large number. The Roomba has been sold for, I think, for about 25 years or so. Okay, so let's look at how robotics can create our vision of the smart home. And what does it mean to have a smart home? That's the key. So I'm going to ask you to look at this animation and then tell me what you saw. So what do you think? Came from work, then what happened?
We stuff on the table and got ourselves a snack and sat down and watched TV.
Exactly. And we can all infer this information from a dot moving on a floor plan. Imagine all the context that is embedded in our brains that we can interpret this thing. We would like to have robots that are able to do the same and behave accordingly so that the whole house is prepared to serve you in a better way.